called Polo. Polo.
Yeah.
What's this called?
Half circle.
Wait, what's this?
Fair point. Do you know what that is?
Louis Vuitton.
BMW.
This isn't Louis Vuitton.
Yes,
I mean,
it is.
lip sync. Lip sync.
Make sure you're
It's
always
Pinterest. No, it's not. It's
Wait,
Beats.
is this Twitter?
That's Beats. The fact that we read it that way.
Like that.
Volkswagen.
That's lip sync.
I don't know. Adidas. Amazon.
Right,
Instagram.
L-I-C.
Audi.
Yeah, what? Wait,
Snapchat.
YouTube. Give me one. Insta. Can I put Insta? Let's put Instagram.
What you want?
Red Bull. Feedback.
Red Bull.
Yeah. I read it upside down and said Twitter.
What? No.
Joking?
No. 100%. How? I never liked my bills.
Well, you know what? When you finish in year 11, that's what you're taking me for dinner.
Sad, that's what you think. I'm taking you McDonald's.
That's fine.
You're getting a Pepsi. That's
I'll
what you're
get
getting.
Tesco medium.
Well, even though I'm going to...
Wait, wait, that is because it's an... I bet it is. Wait, what's this? No one did
Starbucks.
Yeah, no one did Starbucks.
I forgot what this is called.
Right, TikTok.
Bully Starbucks. It's bully.
TikTok, fam.
Netflix. This one's Netflix. This one's Twitch.
Starbucks.
This is Netflix.
Can you wait?
It's so nice if we had Starbucks.
Give me...
This is Twitch. I know what the last one is. This is England. Can you write Netflix for me?
Ready? Number 5.
That was so loud.
Number 6. Number 7.
Louis Vuitton. What do you want, Louis Vuitton? Put it there. Put it on there.
Shouting at them. Don't let them hear.
You got it right?
No, just put L. I have to look at logos that I don't.
Yeah, it's alright.
You got no space. Okay, then what we're gonna do? You got no space. What we're gonna do? Put it aside.
I have 3 logos out of the way.
No, that ain't KFC.
Where's this one? Have you done this one yet?
Oh, I know this one. I know this one. Oh, I know this one.
Yeah, yeah.
Shell. BMW, that is.
I know.
Oh, Justin.
Two words.
So anyone, pepper chicken, this is a tasty.
He's already said what it is.